Good afternoon, my beautiful girlies. It's Grace, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. So, for today's topic of discussion, if I had to smell like two kinds of foods for the rest of my life, what would they be? So, I think that this is such a great question because there are plenty of foods that just smell either very, very amazing or they just smell really, really bad. And I think that I have two kinds of like foods that would just smell amazing. And also, if y'all do hear any noise in the background, let's just ignore that. I'm so sorry. But yeah, anyways, y'all, I have two kinds of foods that I believe would just be the best foods to smell like for the rest of my life. All right, so the first kind of food that I would choose to smell like for the rest of my life would have to be strawberry crepes. If y'all, first off, if y'all haven't had strawberry crepes, y'all are missing out. I know that there are so many kinds of different crepes out there that smell really good and also taste really good. Like, for example, like blueberry, strawberry, the one that I just mentioned, Nutella, chocolate chip, all of that. But I just feel like strawberry crepes just hits the ball out of the park because of how tasty they are and how good that they smell. I just genuinely believe that anything like strawberry, either like strawberry flavored or strawberry smelling, just smells super duper good. I feel like strawberries plus with like other flavors just genuinely smell super duper amazing. Like, I feel like you really can't beat a nice strawberry smell, and that honestly just kind of like reminds me of like strawberry shortcake. I just feel like her and the other characters like blueberry, I think one was like tangerine or like orange, like it just reminds me of that series, like strawberry crepes, sort of. That correlation probably makes no sense, but it makes sense to me. I genuinely just feel like strawberry crepes would be the best smelling thing ever. Really because like I could just go out, like out and about, and y'all know like when people smell really, really good. I just feel like strawberry crepes would be that best smelling food that could be like a great scent, like a Bath and Body Works scent. I just feel like that would just be the elite scent that I could smell like. But yeah, y'all, I would just have to say that strawberry crepes would be the one food that I would like to smell like for the rest of my life. So the second and the last food that I would love to smell like for the rest of my life would have to be chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies are just one of the best cookies on the planet, the best kind of cookies on the planet. I know that there are so many different kinds of flavors. Like, we would literally be here forever if I even attempted, nor not even like tried, but attempted to list all of them, because even I don't know the different like cookie combinations, but I just know that there are like a plentiful amount of combinations to choose from. But yeah, I just feel like chocolate chip cookies is like the unbeatable scent, and that scent obviously already exists. There's just nothing like a really, really great cookie that, or a great smell of like cookies that can just make someone's day. Because I know like if I like smell like a really, really great cookie, I would just be the happiest person alive. Like, it's just quite literally insane of how like a simple cookie smell could quite literally just change your mood. If not a chocolate chip cookie, then the other flavors like I would have to smell would probably be like butterscotch, or like butterscotch infused with like another fruit. I feel like fruit in like infused cookies with like different like kinds of chocolates are like the best cookies on the planet. That's just what I feel like. I just feel like they're the best cookies on the planet. You really cannot beat that flavor. Like, you just can't beat it, in my personal opinion. And yeah, I just feel like that would just be the best cookie around to smell like. I mean, chocolate chip is just a staple in American culture. Well, I know it's a staple in American culture, but I believe it can be like a staple in like other cultures, even around the world. It's just like the best dessert. It's so simple. It tastes very good. It smells very, very good. And I just feel like you just can't beat a chocolate chip cookie. In my personal opinion, I just feel like you can't beat it. But yeah, y'all, I would have to say that chocolate chip cookies would be the second and the last food that I would love to smell like for the rest of my life. So yeah, guys, all I really did was mascara again. That's it. I didn't really do a lot of another makeup look, unfortunately, but your girl's working on it. I'm just really trying to be consistent again after just like being on and off for like weeks at a time. But yeah, it's still a makeup look nevertheless. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that you will have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye, guys.